Now I've just turned around here, folks, because I just seen something interesting in the rest area here that we really need to have a look at.
Well, good morning and welcome along to Kiwi Grand Tours on our trip to the Opotiki Wakatani area. And I'm just at a rest stop at the moment, and it's 10 degrees and it's summer, but it gets pretty cold on this Napier Taupo road that I'm on at the moment, and the bike is going extremely well. I've adjusted all the rebound and all the suspension settings. I've done 3 suspension settings on this to make sure it handles well with all that luggage on it, but the bike's going really well. And look at this rubbish everywhere. I mean, it is a bit of a shame really, but people tend to just drop their shit everywhere. But no, it's a nice day. It's going to be a beautiful day, as you can see, and the bike's going really well.
The famous Mohaka Bridge. Can't see much today. Excuse me, must be what's in the air. Here we are, we've arrived at a beautiful looking lake out here. It's got just fantastic views, and we've got a little car park and a little play area behind me too. I might have to have a crack on those swings later on, but I just thought I'd show you this area over here, just so you know where we are. We're at Anawhenua Lake. It's all good. Now I've just turned around here, folks, because I just seen something interesting in the rest area here that we really need to have a look at. So there is a New Zealand thing right there with a whole lot of gumboots on the fence. Look at that. Fantastic. Gumboots for Africa. Welcome to New Zealand. This evening we're going to go fishing, and we can't come back until we get a decent snapper apparently. And we've got Captain Joe at the helm, who's just preparing the motor to go into the water as we now venture out past Jack Robinson Island.
Hey?
Past Jack Robinson Island. Hokianga Island. And this is where it all happens. This is the Johnson 30 horsepower, maybe 25, but 30. It's been rebuilt, repainted, especially for the trip. Once we get up on the plane, it's a secret. Now it's super smooth. This plane has been designed that way. Okay, so we've had a situation. We are lower in the water. We may be evacuating the boat. Hold on. We've been guided by Garmin GPS, obviously, and it screwed us up a bit, but yeah, we'll that's it. Thank you. Rope is going out, and now it's. This is what fishing is all about, is the sound right now of just the water slapping against the edge, and that is connected to that. What's going on here?
This is our rope.
That's okay then. So at the moment Joe's just putting on some bait onto the rods. The secret is that you need good quality bait. You don't use cheap shit, because these fish in these waters are sort of a bit fussy. So here we go. This is how you catch a fish in 30 seconds.
Line so I can grab it.
Wow, look at that.
They twist and
Yep, look at that.
baby sand shark.
Ooh.
Get back here.